What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to bridge your tokens out from an alternative blockchain. So whether it's Polygon, Coinbase, Arbitrum, Optimism, several other chains, I'm going to show you how to bridge them out of there and back onto the Ethereum mainnet so you can use your money as you normally would. First thing we got to do is go to hop.exchange, click the big button there in the middle. Pretty sure you can't miss it. And we're going to go over here where it says where we're sending it from. So if your money is stuck on any of these blockchains, you can use Hop Exchange. If you are stuck on the Binance Smart Chain, unfortunately, you can't use this. So your best bet would be to stick to the Binance Exchange and sell it to stablecoin and then take it off of Binance. But anyways, we're going to be choosing Polygon here, and we're going to be sending it onto Ethereum. So we're going to click Ethereum here, and pretty much we're just going to send all of our Ethereum into the mainnet and hit send. Now, before you do that, you have to check the fees. So you're going to have to pay a fee on the destination transaction cost. So that means on Ethereum, you're going to pay 0.0008 Ethereum to receive it there. So you need to make sure that on the actual mainnet Ethereum, you have enough to pay for that fee. Okay. So you need gas fees for the network you're sending it from and the one you're receiving it to. So I'm sending it from Polygon into Ethereum, so I need to have some gas fees on Polygon and Ethereum. Okay, so we're gonna hit max, we're gonna send, and it should take about 10 to 30 minutes, depends on the blockchain that you're using. And it's gonna tell us how much it costs. So it's gonna cost about 3 cents in Matic. Hit confirm and do all this confirmation stuff on the hardware wallet. Okay, and then after that's done, it's gonna start doing the transaction, and we'll be back in like 10 minutes and we should see it add up to our Ethereum balance. All right, guys, so it's been about 10 minutes and I'm gonna check my Ethereum balance. And yep, as you can see, it went up. So I have received the bridged tokens from Hop Exchange, and that's all it took. It was super easy. And it's the same process if you want to do it in the reverse manner. So if you wanted to send tokens from the Ethereum mainnet and you wanted to do some trading on like Arbitrum, or you wanted to try something out on like Coinbase, then it's the same process. You just send your Ethereum over, hit send, and then you'll get all the transaction pop-ups, and that's it. Bob's your uncle. I know every single YouTuber asks this, but it does go a long way. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful or useful in any way. And if you need any other assistance or have more technical questions, you can reach out to me on Twitter. My handle is @HectorD. That's the best place to get in touch with me. If you are a brand or a company and you want me to review your product or look over it, you can send me an email, and that's cryptocomics@gmail.com. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching. Please be aware of scams that are out there. I don't have any backup accounts. I never ask for your money. I never want to see your private keys. Just please be careful for that. But yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.